Hey, this is Mr. Barre, and this homework deals with maps and the Pythagorean theorem, just at a little bit more complex level than the previous one. I have a piece of graph paper here, which I'm going to need, and I'm going to draw a big coordinate system on it. You're going to have to do 3 problems today, so don't be afraid to take up lots of space on a piece of paper. So I'm going to do one of these right now. All right, a police officer responded to a call by first traveling in a straight line down Dodge Street until he was 5 miles west and 9 miles north of the police station. So I'm going to assume right away the police station's right here at the origin. And it says that he traveled until he was 5 miles west and 9 miles north of the police station. So 5 miles west, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9 miles north, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the name of that street was it Dodge Street? Dodge. So I'm going to label that. He then turned onto Grand Avenue and traveled in a straight line until he was 4 miles west and 10 miles north of the police station. So the next coordinate is based off of the police station again. Until he was 4 miles west and 10 miles north. 4 miles west, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 miles north, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we went right there. This is Grand Avenue. Finally, he turned onto Kane Street and traveled in a straight line until he reached his destination, which was 4 miles east and 12 miles north of the police station. 4 miles east, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 miles north, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that was Kane Street. So this is the map. And the question is, how many miles did the officer travel on Dodge Street? Okay, Pythagorean theorem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Dodge is 5 and 9. Square root of 106, which is about 10.3 with rounding. So there's Dodge Street. Next question, how many miles east and how many miles north of the intersection of Dodge Street and Grand Avenue, intersection of Dodge Street and Grand Avenue, is the intersection of Grand Avenue and Kane? So it's asking how far north and east is this point from that point, and it's a 1 and a 1, isn't it? So my second question is 1 mile north, 1 mile east. How many miles did the police officer travel on Grandview Avenue? Well, that's going to be, so this was A right here. This is part A. Now I'm on part B. How far did he travel? So it's going to be 1 squared plus 1 squared, so that's 2. So the square root of 2, which is 1.4. But I think there's more to it. No, it's good. Show your, okay. So I know that this is how far he traveled on Grand. There's Dodge, here's Grand. How many miles east and how many miles north of the intersection of Grand Avenue and Kane Street? Grand and Kane is this guy. So it's asking you basically the legs of this triangle. So now this is part C. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. So 8 east, 2 north. It's going to be 64, excuse me, 8 squared is 64 plus 2 squared, which is 4. So the square root of 68. 8.2. So how many miles did the police officer travel on Kane Street? 8.2. How far did he travel in all? So I'm going to add up all those guys. So I have 8.2 plus 10.3 plus 1.4, which is 8.2 plus 10.3 plus 1.4 is 19.9. Checking it using the answer key. Number 1, part 1 is 10.3 miles. Part 2, 1 mile east, 1 mile north, 1.4 miles. Part 3, 8 miles east, 2 miles north, 8.2 miles, 19.9 total distance. There you go. How long did that take me? It took me 6 minutes. So yeah, you're going to have some homework tonight. To do 3 of these is definitely going to take you some time. It will be on the test. So, yeah, might as well learn it. Thanks for watching.